Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the Roborock Saros 20. If you're interested in the Saros 20, the link to it will be in the video description, as well as links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, along with our daily vacuum deals website. So be sure to shop all of those links in the video description. So on the station itself, this cover is removable, so we can pull it away from the station. It pops right out, revealing our vacuum bag. Now we're going to take our bag, which should be nice and full, grab it from here, gently pull it up and out of the way. This is just a lid to seal the vacuum bag so all the contents, the dirt, the dust, and debris doesn't start to escape from the bag when you're handling it. Dispose of your old vacuum bag, and then take your new vacuum bag. Write the date on the bag. That might help you too in the future, just to be more aware of when you installed it. You can track that a little bit better. And then gently just press down from the sides here. And then you can push the lid back in, and there you go. You have now swapped out and installed a new fresh vacuum bag. Then go ahead, take the cover. It snaps back on, just like so, and now you're ready to go.